Hey there, hustlers. Today, we're diving into the fastest ways to make $500 in just 1 week. If you're ready to boost your income and achieve that financial goal, then buckle up as we explore some exciting opportunities that can help you get there. Let's get started and transform your hustle into a rewarding journey. First up, online freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are gold mines for quick cash. Whether you're a skilled writer, a creative graphic designer, or an efficient virtual assistant, there's a market for your talents. By securing a few gigs and delivering quality work, you can easily hit that $500 mark and build a reputation that leads to even more opportunities. Next, consider food delivery or rideshare services. Apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Lyft let you work on your own schedule. Imagine dedicating a few hours each day to these platforms, and you'll be surprised how quickly the money adds up. Not only do you earn cash, but you also enjoy the flexibility to manage your time and meet new people along the way. Got stuff lying around? Time for a garage sale or online marketplace hustle. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist are perfect for turning your clutter into cash. Take a look around your home, identify items you no longer need, and watch as one person's trash becomes another's treasure, filling your pockets with extra cash. Pet sitting or dog walking is another quick moneymaker. Sign up on Rover or Wag, set competitive rates, and start walking those pups. It's not just about the money, it's a fun and healthy way to spend your time while providing a valuable service to pet owners. Plus, who can resist the joy of spending time with adorable animals? For the tech savvy, try microtasks on Amazon, Mechanical Turk, or user testing. These platforms offer small, quick tasks that can accumulate to a decent sum when done consistently. If you enjoy working online and have a knack for detail, this could be a great way to supplement your income and reach that $500 goal. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of odd jobs. Websites like TaskRabbit connect you with people needing help with moving, cleaning, or handyman work. By taking on a few solid gigs, you can easily net $500 while gaining experience and meeting new people in your community. Remember, the key is to combine multiple methods and hustle hard. With dedication and smart time management, that $500 goal is totally achievable in a week. Now get out there and start earning, and watch as your efforts pay off in more ways than one.